Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can make the collection page image full width in Shopify. So currently I'm working on the Dawn theme, but the same approach will work if you choose any theme. And currently I'm recording this video. Shopify has already launched a new version of themes known as horizontal themes, and these are like 10 themes. So I hope that this tutorial will also work for the horizontal themes, the suite of themes. But currently I'm testing on the Dawn theme, and in the future I will be making multiple videos on the new suite of themes that Shopify released. So I have the Dawn theme installed, and as you can see I have the collection page open, and I want it to be the full width, and the title to be placed below that image. Okay, so what we will do, I have compiled a step-by-step tutorial in a doc form, and I will be implementing the all the steps in this video. So I will also leave a link to this doc file so that you can implement it easily without having to write the code on your own. So this is the file. These are like uh, approximately three steps, and the step number three is optional, but I recommend it to do it yourself. So let's start. And the first step is update the HTML class. So open component hero collection hero dot css and add the following code at the top. So this is a very easy step. You just have to add the code at the top of the file, and what this code does, basically it changes the flex direction. Like currently this direction is something like this, and we just, this is currently this is row reverse, the flex direction, and we will just convert it into like column reverse. Okay, we will just change the direction, or I'm not wrong, it is just row, if it is not row reverse. So it, if we add the code flex direction is column reverse, so it stacks the image above the text for a cleaner mobile first layout. So the image will be above the text. So if we do the padding 0, it removes the default spacing applied by Dawn. As you can see, this is the default spacing applied by Dawn, and then the margin left is 0, eliminates the left side of the image container. So as you can see, this is a space on the left side, and it will delete that space. So let's do this step, and I will click on edit code, and then I will just copy this code. So the steps are really simple. So component collection hero.css. So I have to search this file. So it will take some time to load. Component, let me just see, component collection hero.css. Yes, this is the file, and I have to paste the code above this one. Okay, so I will do something like this. So it is important that you should have the collection image, otherwise you won't be able to see the image. And also you have to enable the collection image from the theme customization. That is something I don't have to repeat for this tutorial. You will open the theme collection page in the theme customization, and then you have to enable collection image from there. Then this whole tutorial will work. Okay, so this is the first step, and now we'll go towards the second step. Adjust the banner height on desktop. For on desktop, obviously the banner height would be really less, so we will control the height. To control how tall the banner appears on desktop, look for this code inside a media query. So collection hero image container. So this is the code we have to look for. So we just copy this code. We just copy the class and see if this CSS has this class. Let's see. Okay, so as you can see, this is so I just have to see where this code is actually. So as you can see, just at the bottom you can see this code, and we just have to adjust this height. So currently the height is 20 rem, and I personally like the 60 rem height. So you can change the minimum height to any value you like, depending on how tall you want your banner to be. So for the mobile this is correct, but for the desktop version, obviously you have to adjust the height. So I will do something like 20 rem. Okay, so once you will do all this step, obviously the collection title will be on the left side on in mobile version. So I also have to adjust that setting also. So what I will do, I have written the step 3, which is optional. If your banner text feels off or need alignment on mobile, find and replace this with this. So we just again have to copy this class and see where this class appears in the, for example, CSS. So we just have, yes, as you can see, this class appears here, and then this class appears here. Okay, so we have to find this code which is like on 81, line number 81 and 82, and we just have to adjust it with something like this. So what it does, I will explain it later on. We just like to replace the code, and you can adjust the padding to your own. But I have tested it multiple times, so you can use my values that I'm showing you. So as you can see, you can tweak values like this is the 3 rem is the top padding, and this 3 rem is the bottom padding, and this is the left and right padding. So we just tweak the padding a little lesser, and this will be 3 rem and 3 rem. So this will give the text breathing room. The text will actually breathe, and it will have this less space, or you can say it will have the less padding. So currently it was like 5 and 4. Now we have 3 3, and center align the text on mobile for a cleaner layout. So we have done all the changes sorry, that I mentioned, and let's refresh this thing and see if it is working fine or not. So as you can see, this is the men's t-shirt is working really fine, not an issue. And this is according to the page size. This is not something that the banner is stretched the whole screen. It is according to the page size. And if you want to adjust the if you think that this heading this height is too much, you can adjust the height as I explained before. So collection, you just have to copy paste this class type. So I've given you all the scenarios that will help you to like customize the things very easily. So we'll click on next, and this is not something we are looking for. So we will do something like 40 rem. I think it would be fine. It depends on your cases. Like if you have very large images, you have to adjust it accordingly. But in my case, I have some images which are larger, so that's the, yeah, now it's looking really fine. Now let me also see it on the mobile version. I will inspect it. I will not pause the video just to make sure that the things are fine, and as you can see, it is looking really fine. This is the spacing. You can also adjust, but this is the spacing of the container below it. So if you want, you can adjust the padding top bottom. It's up to you, but I have shown you how you can do all the stuff and how you can make the collection image full width in Shopify. You can also do it the full width, but I don't like that approach, because if you have something like 1200 px the page width, you should also add the banner something like this. So I hope the things are clear, and let me know if there is any issue. I will be available in the comments box to help you out. Thank you very much.